Hey, this is me, Clinton Grange. We're setting the hook. We're out here during the day for once, out here on Greenbelt. It's about 7:30. Pretty rocky, a lot of boats on the water. I'm out here with a good friend of mine, Matt. He's fishing a spinner. I'm going to throw a little Cinco out here. We're fishing some moss flats in a little cove in about 10 to 12 foot of water. Let me take a look here at my buddy Matt. Matt,
he's on. About the boat.
Good fish, Matt.
Not a bad one.
What are you fishing? What color spinner are you using there?
Chartreuse and white.
Where'd that fish go, you think?
Pound and a half, maybe. Not a bad one to start the day off, though.
When you're fishing those spinners out here, do you, what kind of technique? Do you kind of slow roll it? Do you fish it fast, or?
Yeah, right off the moss bed. Hit that moss, just rip through it. We just went from, I don't know what you say, 14 foot. 14 foot, now we just kind of drifted over here. Back up in, you can see all that moss back up in 3 to 5 foot. Just right over the top of it. That one hit right at the boat.
Well, we're going to keep on fishing, and hopefully we'll get some more footage for you guys out there at home. I think it's probably my turn now to get one. Hope it's bigger than Matt's. I'll see you in a little bit. Still out here fishing Greenbelt. Been here about 45 minutes. Still fishing my good buddy Matt. I'm still hadn't caught a fish, and Matt's one up on me. It looks like he just got another one. Is it a good one, Matt? We're fishing some boat docks over here. Not that bad.
Feels bigger because he's got moss.
You still fishing that same spinner, I guess?
Yeah, it's been working for me. It's hard to put it down.
Throw it out and show me. Let's show them how you're working this spinner out here today. Matt too fishes with the skeet reefs rods. I'll tell you the best there is, I think. Just kind of slow rolling it in there. You gotta watch the moss. Well, we'll tune back in with you. We'll keep watching Matt catch all the fish. There's even a nice moss bass. We're headed in. It's been a slow day. We only fished for about an hour and a half. We got some plans we gotta go do this evening, but you know, Matty caught those 2 fish, and I was skunked out tonight. I was just mainly videoing though, and hope you join in with us another time when we have a little more time to spend with you, but that's all we had time for tonight. Matty, you got anything you want to say?
Well, now that you put me on the spot, no, not really. It was a good day. Good day out on the water, but too much boat traffic. Oh, wave running around, messing things up for you, but yes, spinnerbaits seem to work out. Beat the host, so that's always fun.
Well, till next time. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsors: Skeet Reese Poles, Strike King, and Skeeter, of course, our boat of choice. But till next time, keep your lines tight, set the hook hard. We'll see you later.